Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a film and TV makeup artist in Hollywood, and I use La Donna on all my clients. It is the utmost clean, high-performance color line I have ever used. Let's celebrate the holidays with La Donna Red Lip, Shimmering Highlighter, and Eyeshadow Compact. All La Donna eyeshadows contain diamond powder, which is the perfect anti-aging and anti-wrinkle ingredient for the delicate eye area. I'm going to use a wet eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking the nutmeg color on the lid of her eye. I'm going to wet my eyeshadow brush and spice things up with this darker blue color. I'm going to take the gold shade and use it underneath the eye. For Holiday Sparkle, we're going to add two highlighters, Lumiere Powder and Moonlight Cream Highlighter. Moonlight Cream Highlighter is a must-have from La Donna. It's a great, rich pigment in a peachy shade. I'm going to lay this one down first. You can see the gold highlights. And then I'm going to add Lumiere Powder on top. Turn a little that way. And then this way. Lumiere is the powder shimmering highlighter I'm going to layer on top of the Moonlight. For final touches, I added lashes and a coat of La Donna Black Mascara. I'm going to add a red lip in Mindful Red and the Baci Baci from La Donna in La Vive en Rose. La Donna's Mindful Red is the perfect red lip for the holidays. The Baci Baci is the perfect finishing touch. This shade is called La Vive en Rose. It's the perfect power red and a reflective shine. Make it a bold holiday with La Donna. Happy holidays from our family to yours.